Hello and welcome to the higher mathematics classes. Today we are going to study solution of equation and curve fitting. In this chapter we will going to study algebraic equation, general properties, relationship between the roots and the coefficient, algebraic equation of the cubical equation और इसके अंदर हम we are going to study Cardan's method. Okay, transformation equation, reciprocal equation, empirical law, curve fitting, graphical methods, fitting with the other curve, method of group average, method of moments. There are so many topics in which we are going to study in this chapter. So this is very important chapter for your examination point of view in higher mathematics, in engineering physics. These chapters are the very important for the engineering mathematics. Application of, if we are going to discuss the application of this chapter, we will find the application of this chapter in the deflection of beam. When we are going to study the deflection of beam, we use these equations. In the electric circuit application, we use these methods, mechanical vibration. So almost in every engineering, we are used these topics, these mathematics topics to solve the problems of engineering. Okay, let's come to the algebraic equation. Here it is an expression in front of you, that is f of x is equal to a naught x की power n plus a1 x की power n minus 1 plus up to so on a n minus 1 x plus an. This is equation in front of you have written. Can you tell me what type of equation it is? Yes, you are correct. You have given a correct answer. This is a type of expression which we call the algebraic equation. Algebraic equation means in which numbers and values of x, y, z, a, b, c variables we use simultaneously, then we call the algebraic equation. Okay, second one, यहाँ पे आपको समझना है, the most important part is a naught is not equal to 0. Did you understand? A naught is not equal to 0. For the n degree of algebraic equation, a naught must be not equal to 0. ये हमको याद रखना है. Let collect some other color. Okay, n is an positive integer. x की power n जो है, where n is what? N is an positive integer. Somewhere it is a positive integer. You have to remember all these things because it is very important to build your concepts. If you will build your concepts like this only, you will not face any type of problem in near future. Okay, so x की power n, where n is an what? N is an positive integer. Very good. Can you tell me if this expression f of x is equal to 0? I have written this expression, I have written this equation. Can you tell me if it contains some trigonometrical values? Trigonometrical values like sin x, cos x, tan x. Okay, if it contains logarithmic values, if it contains the exponential values, now see, I have told you x की power n, where n is n is an positive integer. I have written it is a positive integer. If I am not written this, then n can be the negative integer, n is equal to minus 1 also, then it expression become a naught x की power n, like this. And this is what we call the exponential values. So to avoid this, we haven't written this, we have written n is an positive integer. Did you get it? N is an positive integer. It is very important. So you will ask us question, sir, then can you please tell me if f of x is equal to 0 is an algebraic equation, if this equation contains these things, out of these any one or all of them, out of these any one or all of them. What? Trigonometrical values. Exponential values. Or logarithmic. If it contain these things, etc., there are many more things also, then what we call the algebraic equation, then we call the transcendental equation. I will return. Then it is called the transcendental equation. Okay, got it? So according to definition, if we go, if I ask you what is transcendental equation, then you have to say what you are going to say. You are going to say the expression which contains the value of trigonometrical values, exponential values, or logarithmic values. It is called the transcendental equation. Have you got it? Have you got it? Okay, that's better. Okay, let's come to the next point, the general properties of these expression. Suppose if alpha is a roots of the equation f of x is equal to 0. I have taken alpha is a root of equation f of x is equal to 0, then the polynomial f of x is exactly divisible by x minus alpha. ठीक है, x minus alpha से divisible होगा, and conversely is also true. Can you prove that? Okay, we will prove that. This is very important property. This is very important theorem. You have to remember. Okay, so I can return this f of x is equal to 0. Okay, now I will write f of x is equal to 0. Then I can also return x minus alpha as a part of somewhere this equation. I don't know this part, but we will figure out how. Okay, so x minus alpha, then x, if x is equal to alpha is a root of the equation, then x minus alpha is a part of this equation f of x. Okay, can you prove? Yes, we can prove. How sir, how can you prove? Let's take an example. Let's take an example. X की power 4 plus x की power 4 minus 6x square minus 8x minus 3. This is an equation and which satisfy x is equal to 3. So we can write here, from here, x minus 3 is a part of this, and we can also divide from this. X minus 3 is a factor of this equation. We will see x minus 3 is a factor of this equation. This is f of x. This is f of x. X minus 3 is a factor of f of x. We can see x minus 3 is a part of f of x. We can see. Okay, let's prove it. Let's see. Let we divide x की power 4 minus 6x square minus 8x minus 3 from the x minus 3. Okay, let's divide. Did you know that how will you have to divide? Okay, got it. Very good. Let's divide it. X minus 3. So x cube. So it will come x की power 4 minus 3x square. Okay. Sorry, 3x cube. This is cube. Multiply with this. Multiply this from this. You will get this. So this is cancel out because we will do the minus. Upper में से lower को minus करेंगे. Okay. Minus 6 square. 0 minus 3. It will come minus 3. Minus plus. Okay. Plus 3x cube. Minus 6x square. Minus 8x minus 3. Okay. Now again we will from whom we divide? Plus 3x square. So it will come 3x cube minus 3 and minus 3 3 is a 9 minus 9x square. Okay, very good. This will be cancel out. This will be minus. So minus this will become plus. This will become plus. Minus. So 9 minus 6 is equal to somewhere 3x square. Again minus 8x minus 3. Okay, so we will divide again from 3x square. It will become 3 x. Okay, so it will become 3x square minus 3 and 3 3 are 9 minus 9x. This will cancel out. This will become plus x minus 3. Again is a factor x minus 3, that means plus 1. So it is x minus 3. A remainder will become 0. Okay, so from this equation, what we have concluded? We have concluded that x minus 3 is a part of this. X minus 3, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This is the equation. This equation f of x is equal to this expression. This is exactly the same equation written this, where x minus 3 is a factor, and we have proved that x minus 3 is a factor of this equation. Got it? Now come to the next theorem, and the very most important part of this theorem is let's discuss the equation of nth degree. We have given f of x is in nth degree. F of x is equal to what we have written? We have written a naught x की power n plus a n minus a1 x की power n minus 1 up to so on a n minus 1 x plus a n. Okay, so here n is the nth degree of expression f of x. So equation f of x, every equation f of x of nth degree has n roots. So this equation have how many roots? How many roots this equation have n roots? Sir, can you tell me example? Yes, x square plus 3x plus 6. The degree is 2. Degree is 2. How many solutions? How many solutions are there? How many roots are there? Sir, 2. Yes, you're the correct. You got it point. Can you, sir, tell me one more example? Yes, we can. X की power 4 plus 3x square plus 2. Suppose this is equation. If this is an equation, sir, higher degree is 4. Sir, 3 is not present. X की power 3 is not present. So what? We have to see the highest degree. The highest degree is 4. Okay, sir. Got it. So degree is 4. Degree is 4. Got it? So the roots, how many roots are there? Sir, roots are n. N means, what is n here? 4. Sir, n is equal to 4. That means 4. Sir, got it. Totally got it point. I have got it your point. That means the number of n value is decided the degree, it decided the roots of the equation. Sir, roots are always real only? No. Roots can be the real or can be imaginary. Roots are both real and imaginary. Some roots are real, some roots are imaginary. It will depend on the situation to situation. It will depend on the equation to equation. You don't have to worry. We will move forward step by step. We will understand it step by step. Let us understand one more thing. For example, n degree of an equation. I have taken an equation f of x is equal to x की power n plus this going on. So let's take an expression is in the next form. What is next form, sir? Let's take some constant value, capital A, x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2. Sir, you have written alpha 1 is like the previous one, x minus alpha, where alpha is the root of the equation. Right. You got it, man. You have got it. X minus alpha, that means alpha is the root of the equation. Yes, alpha 1 is the root of equation. Alpha 2 is also roots of the equation. So how many times we have to write this? Nth time. Okay, so x minus alpha n. So how many roots are there in this equation? Sir, n degree, that means n roots. Got the point or not? I hope you got the point very uniquely. Okay. If the polynomial of degree n vanishes for more than n value x, it must be identical or 0. Okay. This is the first lecture where we started our higher mathematics. Okay. We will add frequently topics step by step, day by day. And if you wish to do more and more number of the topic, just please share the lecture, like the lectures, and comment also. And one more thing, like, share, comment your topics which you wants the lecture. I will come up with a lecture, I will come up with a short lecture, I will come up with a long lecture and detailed analysis of the whole your exam syllabus and topics. I will explain each and every topic, and after the topic we will do some practice question also. I will also give you some tricks which will help you in your exam. Okay, got it? Okay, thank you very much.